Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of retiring early or traveling the world? Investing can help you achieve these goals and more. In this video, we'll show you how to tap into the power of investing and start building wealth for your future. Let's go! Part 1. Why investing is important. Investing is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Unlike traditional savings accounts, which barely keep up with inflation, investing can provide substantial returns over the long term. Investing has the potential to grow your money over time. This is due to the power of compounding, where your investment returns generate more returns over time. This means that even small investments made early on can have a big impact on your wealth over the long term. Part 2. Overcoming common barriers to investing. Did you know that there are hidden barriers that could be holding you back from investing? Fear of losing money, lack of knowledge, and limited funds are common barriers. We'll show you how to overcome these obstacles and start investing with confidence. Part 3. Proven tips for successful investing. The good news is that getting started with investing doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. We'll provide practical tips on how to get started, including 1. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Many online brokers allow you to invest with as little as $50 or $100. 2. Educate yourself. Do your research and learn about the different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This will help you make informed decisions and feel more confident about investing. 3. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have to benefit from the power of compounding. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across different types of assets and sectors to reduce risk. Conclusion: investing is the key to unlocking your financial potential and achieving your dreams. By following these tips, you can overcome common barriers and start investing with confidence. Join us on this journey by subscribing to our channel and let's start building wealth together. Thanks for watching.